To get a new concealed carry card and replace your concealed weapon license, follow these steps. First, determine if you need to replace your license due to expiration, loss, theft, or a change of address. Check with your state's licensing authority to confirm the requirements and procedures for replacement. Next, gather all necessary documents, including a valid government-issued ID, proof of residency, and any required training certificates. Ensure that your documents are up to date and meet the state's requirements. Then, fill out the application form, which can usually be found on the state's licensing authority website or at a local law enforcement agency. Complete the form accurately and thoroughly, as any mistakes may delay the processing of your application. After completing the application, submit it to the state's licensing authority along with the required documents and fees. The fees vary by state, so be sure to check the specific requirements for your location. You may also need to undergo a background check, which can take several weeks to complete. Once your application is processed, you will be notified if your replacement license is approved or denied. If approved, your new concealed carry card will be mailed to you. It is essential to note that the application process and requirements may vary depending on your state and local laws. Therefore, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the specific regulations in your area before applying for a replacement concealed weapon license. Additionally, always follow best practices for carrying a concealed weapon, including proper safety procedures and adherence to local laws and regulations. By following these steps and staying informed, you can ensure a smooth and successful application process for your new concealed carry card.